Hello all, welcome back to the GVRD Automation channel. Right, we are continuing on Infosys interview questions. Right, previous session we have seen Selenium questions and Java questions. Right, in this session we'll see Java programming questions. Right, what are the Java programming questions? Right, these are all the not in single interview. Right, I have gathered for multiple people. Right, these are the some of the typical interview questions. Right, we can get some of them are easy, maybe some of them are little typical. We'll see one by one. Right, write a Java program to generate Fibonacci series. Right, Fibonacci series. You all know. I think Fibonacci series means what? Right, it will come as right 0 1. Right, we will add then 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. Right, we have to add last number to previous number. Then it will generate the next number. Right, that is called a Fibonacci series. Okay, right. Fibonacci series means we have to add last number with previous number. It will generate the next number. Right, just we will see the quickly code. I think everyone knows it. Just we'll go high level quickly. I have written in the Eclipse also. Right, here the method generate Fibonacci series. It will get the number of series up to how many numbers I want to print. 10 means 10 Fibonacci numbers it will print. Right, if suppose if first condition is if less than negative number, just it will, if you give negative number means please enter a positive number, it will say 0 or less than 0. Right, then we required here first number, second number. Right, we have to add second number with the first, then it will generate the next number. First and next, first is 0 and second is 1. Then we will loop the 1 I equal to 1 to less than or equal to n, up to how many numbers we want to write, less than or equal to n. I want 10 numbers means up to 10 numbers it will print. Then print the first. Right, what will happen? First it will print the 0. Right, then first plus second. First plus second means what? It will become 1. Next number is 1. Right, first 0 it will print, next number is 1. Then we will store second number in the first number. Now second number will become first number and next will become second number. Right, simple logic. We have to add Fibonacci series means what? Right, see 0 1. Right, now two numbers 0 and 1 we have. If you want to form the next number, right, first plus second. Right, first number is 0, second number is 1. I want to form the next number, then how it will come? First plus second, then it will come the next number. Right, that is, then we will assign second to first, second number in the first and the next number in the second. Again it will loop, it will print 1, then it will add again first and second, then it will go, it will second to first, next to second. Simple, 2 lines of logic. Right, here we are taking the scanner. By using the scanner, sometimes they will ask how to take input from the console. Right, instead of hard coding, scanner class we can use scanner equal new scanner of system.in. That means take the input from the console. Right, scanner dot next int, we will get the n. Suppose just I will execute, then it will ask in the console, enter the how many numbers we want Fibonacci. Suppose I want 10 series, 10 numbers. Right, see 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2. Right, we have to remember the right how it will form. Right, first number plus right last number plus previous number will come next number. Right, like this it will come. Right, there are multiple ways. This is the one of the simplest way. Right, Fibonacci series, very easy one only. Right, next one is what? Reverse a sentence. Right, write a program to reverse a sentence. Right, I have a right reverse sentence means what? I have a, they have given some sentence, right? I think automation testing, right? Automation testing, welcome to automation testing, right? Now I want to print from the last word first. Suppose, right, reverse sentence, right? I have a input as welcome to automation testing, right? It should print output as testing automation to welcome, right? Sometimes they will ask each word should be, right? Sometimes what will happen, they will ask from the last GNI, last character to first character, right? Reverse the sentence itself. Here each word, first to last word we have to keep first, right? Words we have to reverse. Sometimes they will ask each word, right? Welcome to automation test. There are a lot of questions will come in the same string only, right? Welcome to automation, but I want to print welcome in reverse, to same order, welcome in reverse, to in reverse, automation in reverse, testing in reverse, right? Multiple. Here simply just last word we have to keep it as first, then reverse the words, simple thing. Here also we are taking next line. By using next line we can take the scan input from the, for integer next int, for if you want to take the string next line. Then here the method is we are passing that, then split, simply split the sentence. Then we can take some string builder, right? Here what we have to do, from the last word how it will get, right? String array words dot length -1, from the last word to I greater than or equal to 0, I -1, append to reverse dot append words of I, right? Simply if I not equal to 0, this is just a space to add the space between the words, right? Run, convert again string builder to string, simple thing. We convert first to string array and iterate from last word onwards to last to first, right? Simple thing. Suppose if I execute, right? Suppose it is asking for enter a sentence. Now we'll print, right? Welcome to automation testing. Okay, see, testing automation to welcome, right? Same logic, right, will work for, suppose if I want to reverse only, they will give order print in a reverse order. Then what we will do, we will take a character array. Logic will be same only, but we will take a character array, right? This is a single word character array. Otherwise, if we want to reverse entire thing also, we can do character array, right? A simple thing, character array. And then it will, we can print it, right? We can do. This is also a simple only. Right, one more is write a program to reverse a number. Right, reverse a number. Right, this is also a, in the previous interview, CTS interview question we have seen palindrome. Right, similarly here reverse a number. Reverse the number. Right, reverse a number. It is also a little typical logic only, but simple one only. Right, right. How we will, suppose I have given 1 2 3, they have given 1 2 3, I want to print 3 to 1, right? If we convert to string it is very easy, but they will ask without using any inbuilt function, I want to reverse the integer, right? Right, first what we have to do, while number not equal to 0, while number not equal to 0, right? They have given suppose 1 to 1, right? Not 1 to, I want to 3 4 5 anything, simple thing will take 1 2 3. Then first what we have to do, we have to take the last digit. How we will get last digit? By using percentile. Number percentage 10, that means last digit we will get 3. Then what we have to do, we have taken one reversed integer variable. We have to multiply that reverse into 10. First it is 0, 0 into 10, 0, 0 plus digit last number 3, it will come as a 3. Then divided by, number divided by 10. If we divide, what will happen? It will become 1, 2. Right, last number anyway we have extracted. We don't require again. We require 12. Next, while not equal to 0, 12 not equal to 0. Then again 12 percentile 10. What we will get? 2. 2 we will get. Then previously we have 3. 3 into 10, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Right, 32 it will become. Again divide. It will become 1. Again percent. Last digit 1. Right, already 32. 32 into 10, 320 plus 1, 321. Simple. Simple logic. Right, like this we will reverse the number. Right, one more is write a program to print duplicate characters in a string. Duplicate characters. Right, in the previous class we have seen how many each character count. Right, in the previous CTS interview. Similarly, here also they have asked duplicate character. That means first we have to count the each character. First we have to count the each character here. Right, just here we did not execute it, right? We can execute, right click, run as, reverse a number, suppose 1 2 3 4 5, right, 5 4 3 2 1, like this. Okay. Duplicate character, here also one method, it is also we know already, so going very quickly. Right, take the map of character and integer hash map object and then convert to 2-char array. Right, string to 2-character array, each character iterate character map dot map object dot getter default. Right, if it is already there, it will come that count plus 1. If it is first time means it will come 0 getter default. First time it will not be available, 0 will come, then plus 1. Second time it will come, suppose 1 is there, it will come C as a 1, 1 plus 1, 2. It will become simple code. Character map dot get or default. Some people will write get of C. They will store in integer. Right, again they will increment. If it is there, if it is not equal to null, then they will increment. No need to write that much of if and else condition. Just character count that put each character key as the character, value as the count. How to get the count? Character map dot getter default c comma 0 plus 1. If it is already there, it will come that count and increment by 1. If it is not there, it will store as a 1. Just print it. That's it. Print the map. Then now the condition, right, here condition is print means duplicate, right? I want a duplicate. That means value should be greater than 1. That means character which is the character which is greater than 1 means it is repeated more than once. That those are all called duplicate. Right, suppose I running, right, enter a string, suppose automation. Right, see only duplicate greater than 1, a 2 times, t 2 times, o 2 times. Right, duplicates. If you want, they want unique numbers, then what we will do? Equal to 1. Right, enter dot get value, count should be equal to 1. Right, like this we can do. This is also okay. Duplicate characters. Right, how to sort an array? How to sort an array without using built-in functions? Without using built-in functions, provide the code. How can you sort a array? Right, they have given array, but array dot sort means it will sort, but they want without using anything. We can use either bubble sort, merge sort, right, whatever sort. Bubble sort is a little bit easy. Right, how to sort? What is bubble sort? Right, bubble sort means, see, simply suppose I have a numbers, right, 2 1 3 4. I want to sort. Bubble sort means what? First these two it will verify. Right, first it will verify 0 and 1, then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If first number, if second 0 and 1, if 1 is greater than 0, then it will become, right, it will come here 1 and 2. Right, first iteration it will become 1 and 2, 3. It will start in the first iteration itself. Right, bubble sort means it will print side by side numbers. Side by side numbers until it will become sorted order. Until it will become sorted order. Right, simple logic. Two loops we required. One loop for where I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus 1. Right, then traverse through all the elements. Then for second loop is j equal to 0, j n minus I. This is the condition. Right, we can write simply n minus 1. It will also work, but we have to write. We don't need to write in first iteration. It is if it first iteration completed, already first element is sorted. We no need to again sort it. So n minus 1 minus I until n minus I minus 1. That's enough. See, swap if the element found is greater than next element. If a of j means what? 0. J plus 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. Side by side. 0 and 1. First compare. If 0 is greater than 1, if 0 is greater than 1, then 0 will go to one place, 1 will come to one place. Right, suppose. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now we are comparing 2. A of j means 0. 2 is 2 greater than 1. Is 2 greater than 1? Yes. If it is greater than 1 means what we were doing? We are storing a of j temp variable. Then a of j plus 1 j temp. What it will become? 1 will store here. 2 will come here. Right. Next iteration again. Right. What will become? J will become right plus plus. That means j is right, it will become 1. Right, 1 and 2. It will verify 1 and 2. Is 2 is greater than 3? No. It will leave it like that. Next 2 and 3. Right, 2 and 3. Then all are sorted. All are sorted. Right, then nothing is pending. Right, already sorted. So we can. Right, we can keep just less than n also. Right, but it will take more at a complexity. More complexity it will take. Right, if you want in a less number of iterations, then we have to write n minus 1 minus I. Right, side by side elements we have to compare and swap it. Right, this is the easy one. We have to learn one search algorithm, one sort algorithm, one search and one sort algorithm. Right, now this is one more easy thing, but we will write a program to check given year is a leap year or not. Leap year means what? Every 4 years it will come as a leap year. Every 4 years it will come. Right, but how to, what is the condition? Right, leap year we will come into mind, but we will not get what is the condition. Right, to get what is the condition? Right, we will not think about, they will ask this type of question also. Right, suppose we will pass some year, we have to, what is the condition? There are two conditions to check leap year. If year is divided by percentile 4 equal to 0, right, if we do, remainder should be 0. If we divided by 4, remainder should be 0. And year, if you divided by 100, it should not equal to 0. If you divided by 4, right, percentile remainder should be 0 if you divided by 4. If you divided by 100, remainder should be not equal to 0. This is first condition. Then it will be leap year. Or if year is divided by 400, remainder will be 0. If 0, then it will be leap year. Two conditions. Leap year is divisible by 4 but not divisible by 100 unless it is divisible by 400. Right, simple condition only, but to we need to get this condition right, then only we can tell, otherwise we cannot. Right, suppose I want to run, right, we are taking again from the scanner. Suppose I want to verify 2025 is a leap year or not. Right, it is saying not a leap year. Suppose if I calculate previous year 2024, then right, it is a leap year. 2024 is it, right? Suppose leap year 2024 means next leap year when it will come. If I execute, I think every 4 years one time, right? I think 2028. Let's see, it is a leap year. Right, this condition is working. Right, fine. These are the different right questions we can expect. Right, these are the questions asked by the Infosys questions. And one more question is there. Right, one more question is there. Just right, it is taking longer time. Right, our video become longer. One more they have asked, right, like they are giving one sentence. Suppose they want to, the condition is, right, the question is like every time, right, they will give one username. If username is contains only numbers and characters, right, numbers and characters, that is valid, that is valid username, numbers and characters. If you in the num if username contains, right, username contains other than numbers and alphabets, if we add special character or spaces, right, that is not a number. But I want to store, suppose first time I have given automation, right, and again they want to give input. They are asking for, I want to continually low, right, ask for the inputs, user inputs, right, every time until I will exit, until I will terminate, it should terminate. I want to execute continuously, I will provide usernames, you have to validate and verify it. First automation, again automation, if they will give, we have to say duplicate. We have to verify the condition, only it should contain alphabets and numbers, it should not contain other than alphabets and numbers, and should not be duplicate. If it is duplicate, you should say duplicate, right? This is also a one typical question. How we will, from the scanner we have to provide the input while true, until we will execute this loop while true, then we will ask from the user, enter the username. If username is exit, then only break it, loop, break the loop. Otherwise, validate. If it is contain, right, usernames already we are taking, what we are doing, hash set. Each user we are storing in the, each user we are storing in the here hash map, right? Then if it is already available, we will say duplicate. Suppose if it is not available, we have to validate the condition, right, validate the condition. If condition satisfies, it will valid user, otherwise invalid, right? Simple thing, right? Application, suppose I am entering, suppose Venkat, right, first time what it will say, valid, there is no only characters, right? Then suppose Venkat 123, it is also a valid. Suppose if I give Venkat space 123, it's a invalid user. Suppose if I say Venkat hash, invalid. Suppose if I give Venkat again, it will say duplicate, right, until I terminate. Suppose if I give exit, then only it will terminate, exit program, goodbye. Right, sometimes they will check this type of question also, how to continuously loop it and terminate based on condition, right? While true condition we can use, while true means until it will, condition is always true only, but based on condition, whatever we will pass exit, then break it, then it will come out. Otherwise, check validate whether username contains only characters and numbers. If not, invalid user. Right, here two conditions we have to verify. It should contain only numbers and alphabets, and it should not be duplicate. Right, those two. Continuously we have to verify. This is one more question. Right, thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching and presentation, right, just subscribe to the channel and enable notification. Right, click on the bell icon, share to your friends also. Right, thanks for watching.